Alright, boys, let's do it.
This is unplayable. I'm gonna not even be able to parachute in. Oh, dude, the game looks like total dog shit without the shaders.
They just got a loadout somewhere near us. Oh, what? Oh.
You grabbed the plate and set them on.
I say we get this and get the fuck out of here. Run towards
I say
Chem.
we push
Or
Chem.
no, you wanna go Chem? Yeah.
Fuck him, dude.
There's a shit ton of people over there.
What are they gonna do? Kill us?
Fuck him.
Yeah, 100%. They just got an airdrop. Or a loadout drop. There's a dude dropping in right there.
None of my shots are registering.
I cracked 2 of them.
Throwing stun.
I stunned. I'm deadying far side tide. Don't come near.
I'm going up the right side. I've cracked 3 of them now.
I pulled one.
Peeking that dude. That dude either has walls or...
There's a guy on the roof of this.
Fuck you, get up there. They're a fucking
ladder.
I just got sniped from bio while I was knocked.
Yeah, that guy from bio is... I don't know.
Oh, dude, he
Yeah,
just sniped me too.
X-Torch just got hit by him too.
Down bottom, Donny, my proximity one.
I got him. Teammates are close. I hit the guy. Knock that guy. Knock the guy. Knock the guy sniping tide right behind you.
Mover here.
I knocked the guy on the roof. Ty, there's a guy knocked right here. Oh, team wipe. I got him. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. That's what happens.
Sucker.
Guys at harbor. Guys at harbor. Knocked one. Knocked 2. 2 dead.
Dude, he just said cheating.
I am.
Was the rest down there?
I didn't get a... Behind, on me. Right here. Literally on me, look at me.
Stand. Mover here.
Touch.
He's dead.
He was
Played
just
expert.
prone fucking behind the wall.
Back in the saddle.
I have bunches of plates, I just haven't taken the time to put them on.
Just called me a rat bitch. Right there, Donny. You just went in that building, there's 2 in there.
Flash it, if you got one. Stun it.
One knock.
Under hostile fire. Throwing stun.
He's down.
Right there, Donny, far corner. Give me expert, give me.
Under hostile fire.
Oh, dude, he's down. He's inside. There's 2 of them.
Oh, what the fuck? Ty, use it. Run. Fuck, I thought there was just the one guy upstairs.
No, there's 2 downstairs. They're both down. Nice, Tyler.
Nice, Ty, good shit. Can you buy a loadout?
Is that team wipe, Tyler?
No, somebody's in bio.
Cat.
He's outside. There's 2 of them outside. They're coming in
Hit.
the front door.
Knock.
That's a kill.
In the window.
Hostile fire.
Armored, Ty, he's armored. He's pushing me. He's on me. Pretty sure. Nice, Ty, good shit. You should buy a loadout.
Bro.
No, we're frying.
Close these doors by us.
See anyone? Can't hear shit.
Top of bio.
Papa Cam.
I don't see nobody top bio, but there's 2 guys at prison courtyard.
One
Right
dude
here,
just
Donny.
landed at bio.
I got a sniper looking at me from prison. I armored him.
Where in prison?
Right on the wall here.
Donny, down below. See where I marked?
Yeah,
Look him.
I'm trying.
Cracked one.
Knocked one.
Fucking water
Knock,
tower?
knock.
Position
Water
marked.
tower, water tower.
Airstrike.
Shoot at that guy, extra.
Nice shot. I call in precision on the guys that are down to our right. No full, no full. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, Donny, I just downed like 3 of them. They were just all squatted up.
I didn't get my full on the guy knocked here.
Tunnel. I think.
Oh wait, I might have. I think I got it actually. They're above us, I think. No, right at the door, right at the door.
We're stunned.
Just stunned.
Down.
There's another one on me, on me. Far one too, far side two. I got plate. Behind.
We got 2 coming in on the left. Behind him.
Stunned.
I pulled the guy I was on. Behind Donny.
There's guys out to the left too on like that little crook.
There's 1 guy behind us.
Guy just landed.
There's 3 guys behind us.
They're right here, on me, guys. Fuck. I thought you guys had that lane.
Oh my fucking god. Why can't I move while we're doing this? Oh my god.
They're above us, next door.
Call it precision, call it
We're-
precision.
Played up, next
Fucking
door.
trap. Trap.
Stay inside, next door, and
Should have
plate.
called it ahead.
I am plating.
They're gonna jump out in front of you.
Fuck.
Less than 5 to go. Bring home the win.
Below us?
2v2? I would think they're probably above you still. Yeah, to your left. One more. Don't let that guy self. 1v2.
I
1v2.
got one. I'm down.
Where's the other guy?
I don't know.
Bait the res.
He's on the roof. He's on the roof. Damn.
Nice time. Let's
Damn,
fucking go,
Tyler.
dude. Good shit, dude. You and I fucking fried.
Bro, we just won and I had no sound that whole game.
Yo, honey, I beat your kills.
I
Get
know,
fucked, pussy
dude.
boy.
That was fucking whack. It's because you let me
Dude,
die
that was
and
my best
decon.
game ever.
That was nasty, dude. Good shit.
Dude, we just won as a 3-man. Like, what?
Well, look, me and Tyler killed more than half the lobby.
Yeah, you guys got 27 kills to what, 40 people? So, our team, 29 kills, dude. Jesus Christ, we killed...
That's a good game. I got called a hacker.
We killed
Yeah.
like 74% of the game.
Dude, Extor, that is what's called frying.
That's a
Yeah.
fried fest and a half. I'm so happy you got that last guy.
Dude, I was like, no when he showed up, and I was sitting in the gas, and then it's like, oh wait, Milano.
Jeez, you had 6,400 damage. Holy fuck,
Donny,
dude.
I fried that game. I had like double your damage, like more kills.
I
Clutched
probably
up
stole
what-
a couple of them. Good shit, dude.
Honestly, what won us the game was us wiping that team that was coming up to Kim.
That was
like, we
hard,
didn't catch
dude.
out that team. That was gonna be a hard fight. Those dudes were right on top of us.
I nailed it, boys. Good shit.